Hi, this is Anne here. In this Everything You Need review, I'm going to show you can now finally have everything you need to be a success to build a real online business. You'll be given the exact blueprint and software tools that Brad Rudeke uses to build his 7-figure online business. Make sure you stay to this end of this review as I'm going to show you a full walkthrough and a demo to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If at any point during this review you want to check out everything you need, just click on the link below and you'll also be able to see all of the special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel. And to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. And I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's have a look at the bonus page. As you can see, these are some of the special bonuses which will be available during this special launch offer. And if you decide to purchase from my site, all of these special bonuses will be right inside your JVZoo account waiting for you after you purchase everything you need. Let's do a walkthrough together on everything you need. If you are ready to finally have everything you need to be a success, everything you need exact blueprint and software tools will be for you to build a real online business. And the offer will start its official launch on 23rd January at 10 a.m. Eastern Time and it will run for 3 working days. Everything you need is the exact blueprint and software tools that Brad uses to build his successful online 7-figure business, and he's a product vendor and a successful affiliate himself. And over the time, he has seen thousands of people buy hundreds of products and hoping that the next purchase will be the one that makes them a success. But of course, products are always leaving out something and it's never a complete solution. You get a software but not the training how to actually make money, and with that said, you need to buy a bunch of tools to utilize it, and something is always missing. And everything you need has been teamed up with his business partner Mike to create a system that includes all the training and software in one complete package. And these are some of the many amazing results that are possible to be achieved. And also because Brad knows how to build an email list, how to get traffic, how to drive affiliate sales, how to get people to make purchases from him. And also he has the software tools that make doing these things fast and easy. And over the time, Brad has seen people buying product after product and it never gives them the complete solution. And because of this, they get stuck in a never-ending cycle of keep on spending money instead of making money for themselves. And this is where everything you need is created. It's a complete system that will teach you every aspect of his online business step-by-step blueprint with nothing left out. So in everything you need, you will learn how to build an email list for free, how to do product reviews, product creation and launching, affiliate marketing, using Facebook for free traffic, launch checking, and so much more. And everything you need includes 10 software tools that Brad personally created for his own online business. You have the Affiliate Tracks, Member Kit, Wix, Let's Mail, Real IM Reviews, My Digital Shop, Changyou, Webinaro, ImageMaker 2, and Bonus Builder. And you can get this software and training individually for a total price of $756, or even better, you can get this as a complete package for a discounted price with no OTOs or any upsells for only $95. And with that said, you can always test drive the product and you are back with the 14 days money back guarantee.
Warning: the following video is not for people looking for a get-rich-quick gimmick, or for people who love wasting money buying overhyped garbage that never gets them results. It's for serious people looking to build a real online business. If this does not apply to you, then please exit this page right now. Still here? Good, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how you can get the exact blueprint and software tools that I personally used to build my 7-figure online business. But first, let me show you some of the amazing results that are possible. Brett here, and I've been in the IM MMO space for quite some time, and I've made millions of dollars in that space. And in that time, I've also seen thousands of people purchase hundreds of products hoping that they can be a success themselves. The problem is none of these products are ever a complete solution. They always leave something important out. People will buy a training only to find out that they also need some kind of software in order to implement that training. People will buy software to find out that it doesn't come with training to teach people how to actually make money with that software. There's always a piece missing. And what this does is it gets people on a rat race of buying products over and over again and never actually getting anywhere. Well, I decided it was time to do something about that. And so I created a system that includes everything people need in order to be successful online. It's a system that includes training that teaches every aspect of my business. Everything that I've done to be a success is taught in this training. But beyond that, it also includes all the software tools that I use in my business to implement that training as well. Everything is included. The instructions that teach people how to be a success and the software that they need to implement those instructions. This is literally everything you need. And that's what I call this, the everything you need system, because nothing is left out. Now earlier, I asked everyone watching this video if they're serious about running a successful online business, or if they just like to buy products for the sake of buying. If you're a person that just likes to buy things, that just likes to spend money, then this is not for you. However, if you're serious about running a successful, profitable online business, then this is literally everything you need. In that case, all you need to do is click below to get started right now.
Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out everything you need, please click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!